I want to show you how an operations team might use Copilot to help create a change management plan for a project they're undertaking. So let's take a look at it. The operations team is going to use Copilot in quite a few different ways to help them put together a change management plan. First of all, we're going to use Copilot to look at meetings in team and summarize that information. So let's go take a look at Teams. Here's a Teams meeting where different participants talked about what they're going to do, what they think is important in this particular project. We're going to use Copilot to summarize this and also identify the action items. Here's a summary of the meeting right here. Let's take a copy of that and put it into Word so we can see it more clearly. And here I have a nice summary in Word. I can share this with other people on the team and in my organization. And it also identifies one action item that Kristen needs to make. Next, let's take a look at how the operations team can use Whiteboard and Copilot to help organize their ideas. The operations team has been using Whiteboard to collect a number of ideas about this project and what it means from a change management plan standpoint. We've got all these different ideas. They've been suggested by different people about different items. We can use Copilot to help categorize this and organize this information. So let's go ahead and do that. I highlight the items I want Copilot to look at, and we're going to categorize it. Copilot easily organizes the information and makes it easier to understand and also communicate with other people. We can always change this. It's just a suggestion. I'm going to go ahead and keep it. Next, the operation team needs to communicate their engagement plan to others in the organization. They're going to use Copilot in PowerPoint to help do this. We're going to start with this blank presentation. We'll have Copilot look at a detailed change management plan we put together, and we'll have Copilot summarize that into this presentation. Let's go to Copilot. We're going to create a presentation based on this Word file. Here it is right here. Select that, and we'll start Copilot. Copilot is looking at that Word document. It's put together a basic idea of what the outline should be for this presentation, and now is filling in the details. And now we have a full presentation. So this is a place to start. You don't want to just take this and run into a meeting with it. You want to go through it, edit it to make sure it meets your objectives. But what's nice is Copilot has put together an outline and created detail for it. Go down this detail page here. And it also adds speaker notes, which is really handy. So you can go from here, you can edit it, you can change the images, you can change the slides, but you've got a really good start on this presentation in PowerPoint. And after reviewing this presentation a bit more, I can see that Copilot has really distilled the change management document and put it in a format that I can easily share with other people in my organization. We've already seen how Copilot can look at Outlook and also Teams to get information on what's happening on a particular project. Copilot can also look at Outlook, look at the appointments that you have, and relate them to a particular item. In this case, it would be the engagement plan. Finally, I want to take that change management plan and summarize it so I can easily share it beforehand with my coworkers and other people on the team. I'm starting a new email message out to my team, and what I want to include in the body of that email is a summary of the change management plan. I can start the prompt in Copilot here, put a / and then look at the files I want to include in this request. I'll select this right here. And this summary is all right. It's got all the information in, but I want to make it easier to read, so I'm going to ask Copilot to put bullet points in this. I like this a lot better. I'm going to copy it from here, put it into my email. I have a nice summary of the change management plan. I can send that in an email to my team and also other members of my organization. Copilot has saved me a lot of time, and it's really helped me organize my thoughts and get to the essence of what I need to communicate. So we looked at how an operations team might use Copilot in various Microsoft 365 applications to help them get their job done better and more efficiently and save time for other types of work. If you're ready to deploy Copilot in Microsoft 365, download our free guide with the link in our video description.